Have you been paying rent in Manteca, thinking that you don't want or have to pay a mortgage? And that you don't want to have to pay for any repairs or upkeep of your own property? You know, we hear from people all the time saying that they're not comfortable taking on a mortgage. And for that reason, they have not gone ahead and bought their own home. What they do have to realize is that they are paying somebody's mortgage, either the landlord's or their own. And as we can see from this graph, there's only been a couple of times since 1988 that rents have actually declined. In fact, over the last few years, they have been increasing dramatically. Let's look at a quote from the article in Entrepreneur Magazine, 12 Practical Steps to Getting Rich, where they state, while renting on a temporary basis isn't terrible, you most certainly should own the roof over your head if you're serious about your finances. It won't make you rich overnight, but by renting, you're paying someone else's mortgage. So in effect, you're making someone else rich. We all know that Entrepreneur Magazine is a premier source of small business advice. And what would their motive be for telling you to only use rent as a temporary strategy? We think it's because they believe that owning a home is one of the basic steps to increasing your net worth. Or what about what the Senior Vice President and head of the Single Family Sales and Relationship Management Organization over at Freddie Mac, Christina Boyle, had to say about the benefits of securing a mortgage as opposed to paying rent? With a 30-year fixed mortgage, you have the certainty and stability of knowing what your mortgage payment will be for the next 30 years, unlike rents, which will continue to rise over the next 3 decades. Home equity is a forced savings account. When you own your home, your mortgage payment and the appreciation of your home become a forced savings account. Every month you make your mortgage payment or your home appreciates in value, you are building equity in your home. And that equity is something you will be able to draw on later in your life. To start a business, buy a vacation home, or send your kids to college. Although as a renter, you're helping your landlord build their equity, their savings, and their retirement account. Freddie Mac's latest report shows that interest rates are near their historic lows across the country, where last week they were at 4.22%. With that being said, now is one of the best times for you to secure a mortgage, move into your perfect home, and quit making someone else rich. What does this all mean to you? Probably that if you've been considering making 2018 the year you quit paying rent and are ready for the first time to find your perfect home, or maybe you're considering a vacation home somewhere, we should probably sit down and discuss your options. Give us a call at 925-309-7395 and let's see what your options are. You can also download your free copy of our Home Buyer's Guide by clicking the link above or below this video. Or you may be ready to sell your first home and want to download your free copy of our Home Seller's Guide by clicking the link that again is above or below this video. We want to thank you for stopping by today, and as always, remember C-Ray to find the perfect home. We'll talk to you again soon. Thank you so much for listening.